Hello my darling, welcome. I'm Simone Pichon, energy healer, and this is the quantum healing of the angels. In this healing, I'll be working with Archangel Raphael, the greater healer, the green light, Archangel Michael, the great divine protector, the blue light, Archangel Uriel, the divine flame. Uriel brings the yellow ray sun, and Archangel Chamuel, the pink light, the Archangel of love. So all these angels construct a beautiful grid of rainbow light for healing, purification, restoration of the chakras, the bodies, the minds, the soul, the aura, clearing traumas, the soul pain, clearing any debris in your aura, restoration of your immune system, bringing more joy, harmony, well-being, light, energy, bringing in the divine golden light, the golden rays of purification, purity, energization. So it's a beautiful quantum healing of the presence of the archangels, angelic beings, bringing you more unconditional love, prosperity, harmony, divine grace. It's a wonderful, beautiful activation. This activation is made on Vimeo on demand, the healing on demand, and the link of this activation is down below. So just click in the link and you can have this wonderful quantum healing activation. Beautiful. Thank you so much for listening. Lots of love, lots of joy, harmony, enlightenment, purity, and divine grace. Many blessings.